This is a final video to fix Roblox controls not working on Xbox. And if you've been struggling with your buttons not responding, you're in the right place. Many players face this problem because Roblox sometimes conflicts with the Xbox controller settings or outdated game files. You've probably seen other tutorials on YouTube that show long, confusing steps that barely work. But today on Rexish, I'll share a simple trick that actually fixes it fast. All you need to do is reset your controller settings in Roblox and clear the cache, then restart the game, and your controls will work perfectly. This method is quick, easy, and anyone can do it without digging through complicated menus. If you want, comment below, and I'll make a step-by-step tutorial showing exactly how to do it, so you never have to deal with stuck controls again.